Hungary has taken a significant step in modernizing its military by establishing Leopard Hungary MROKFT, a joint venture between KNDS Deutschland and HM Kurz ZRT. This new company, founded on February 20, 2025, in Gdalo, Hungary, will provide long-term logistical support and maintenance for KNDS military systems used by the Hungarian Armed Forces. KNDS holds a 49% stake, while Kurz retains a majority share of 51%. The primary role of Leopard Hungary MROKFT will be to ensure the maintenance, repair, and operational readiness of Hungary's KNDS combat fleet, which includes the Leopard 2A7HU main battle tank, PzH 2000 self-propelled howitzer, Wisent 2HU recovery vehicle, and Leguan bridge layer. Additionally, the company will be responsible for servicing training simulators and associated military facilities. Hungary's military modernization efforts have been ongoing since 2018, when it signed a contract with Krauss-Maffei Wegmann, KMW, to procure advanced combat vehicles and support systems. The agreement included 44 Leopard 2A7HU main battle tanks, 24 PzH 2000 self-propelled howitzers, various support and recovery vehicles. To facilitate crew training, Hungary also leased 12 Leopard 2A4HU tanks, which have been stationed at the Tata Brigade since December 2020. These tanks will remain in Hungarian ownership even after the lease expires. The first Leopard 2A7HU tanks arrived in December 2023, with the final units expected to be delivered by 2025. Hungary has also acquired 3 Leguan bridge layers, 5 Wisent 2HU armored recovery vehicles, 9 Bergepanzer 3 Büffel recovery tanks. The first Bergepanzer 3 Büffel was delivered in September 2022, followed by crew training sessions. On December 14, 2023, Hungary received another batch of 5 Leopard 2A7HU tanks, a Wisent 2HU recovery vehicle, and a Leguan bridge layer. The PzH 2000 self-propelled howitzer program is progressing rapidly. The 24 units ordered in 2018 are intended for the 101st Artillery Division in Tata, providing fire support for the Georgi Klapka 1st Armored Brigade. Key milestones in the program. The first reference model arrived in January 2022 and was sent back to KMW for final adjustments before mass production. The first operational PzH 2000 unit was delivered to Hungary in August 2022. A live fire test was successfully conducted in September 2022. Full deliveries are expected to be completed by late 2024. Hungary's Wisent 2HU recovery vehicles have been modified to meet national requirements. Originally ordered in 2018, these vehicles play a crucial role in supporting the Leopard 2A7HU and PzH 2000 fleets. Deliveries and modifications include: first Wisent 2HU received in December 2023. 2 additional Wisent 2HU units set for delivery by December 2024. Hungary has also purchased specialized demoning and technical equipment for these vehicles. The Leopard 2A7HU variant features several upgrades compared to the standard Leopard 2A7. Key enhancements include FN Herstal remote weapon station for increased firepower, reinforced roof protection for improved crew safety, upgraded fire control system with automatic target tracking, Perry RTWL stabilized commander's sight for better battlefield awareness, digital upgrades and modular protection kits for enhanced survivability. Performance specifications of the Leopard 2A7HU. Weight, approximately 67.5 tons. Engine, 1,500 horsepower V12 MTU MB 873. Top speed, 72 kilometers per hour. Operational range, 450 kilometers. Hungary's procurement program includes 44 Leopard 2A7HU tanks, 24 PzH 2000 howitzers, 12 Leopard 2A4HU training tanks, 5 Wisent 2HU recovery vehicles, 3 Leguan 2HU bridge layers, 9 Bergepanzer 3 Büffel recovery tanks. The total investment is estimated at 1.6 to 1.8 billion euros, with final deliveries expected by 2028. The Leopard 2A7HU tanks will replace Hungary's aging T-72M1 tanks, significantly enhancing the Hungarian military's armored warfare capabilities. Training for crews is being conducted using the Leopard 2A4HU units. To support this transition, a Leopard 2 simulator was installed at Tata Brigade by KMW, providing advanced virtual training for tank operators. The first public sighting of a Leopard 2A7HU in Hungary occurred on August 22, 2023, near the Austrian and Slovakian borders, where it was accompanied by a Bergepanzer 3 Büffel recovery tank. Some early deliveries were initially used as reference models for production adjustments before their full integration into the Hungarian armed forces. The creation of Leopard Hungary MROKFT marks a crucial step in Hungary's defense modernization efforts, ensuring sustainable long-term maintenance and logistical support for its growing fleet of KNDS armored vehicles. By establishing this joint venture with KNDS Deutschland, Hungary is securing operational readiness for its Leopard 2A7HU tanks and PzH 2000 howitzers, strengthening its domestic defense industry, reducing dependence on foreign maintenance facilities, enhancing training and simulation capabilities for its armed forces. With modernized equipment, specialized training facilities, and a dedicated maintenance framework, Hungary is positioning itself as a key player in European defense strategy while ensuring its armed forces remain combat-ready for the future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.